The giraffe, Giraffa camelopardalis, is an extraordinary and graceful creature, known for its iconic long neck and towering height, making it the tallest land animal on Earth. Native to the savannas and open woodlands of Africa, giraffes are distinguishable by their unique body features and striking coat patterns. A fully grown adult giraffe can reach a height of up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, and weigh around 1,800 kilograms, 4,000 pounds. Their long necks, which can measure up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters in length, are composed of 7 vertebrae, just like in humans. These necks enable giraffes to reach leaves and buds high up in trees that other herbivores cannot access, allowing them to feed on a diverse range of foliage. Giraffes have large, expressive eyes and keen senses of hearing and smell. Their most distinctive feature, aside from their height, is their coat pattern, which consists of large, irregular patches of various shades of brown, orange, and white, separated by lighter lines. These patterns are unique to each individual and are used for identification. In terms of behavior, giraffes are generally peaceful herbivores that feed on leaves, twigs, and fruits. They are social animals, living in loose groups known as towers or herds, typically consisting of females and their offspring. Males establish dominance through necking, a behavior where they swing their necks and heads at each other in combat. Unfortunately, giraffes are currently facing conservation challenges due to habitat loss, poaching, and illegal hunting. Efforts are being made to protect these magnificent animals and ensure their survival in the wild.